go faster? No, we're gonna
You want to ride back?
Wait,
Okay.
have a helmet?
I don't have a helmet. We don't need one though. Wait. I'll bring it out there. Okay. So here is another edition of giving a drunk girl a ride. Let me bring it out there.
Okay. Okay, go.
Alright, so have you ever been on a motorcycle before?
Well, in the Philippines, and I think it's different though.
Okay, so these pegs are gonna be for your feet, okay?
Okay.
Left one, right one. You're gonna come on like this, put your leg around, and sit down. But let me go on first.
On this?
Yeah, let me go on first.
Do I need a helmet? I'm scared.
You don't need one.
Going 3 feet. Hey, can you not go too far?
I'll just go up and down.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait, what do we do? I'm heavy. Okay.
Okay, don't hold on like that. There you go. There you go. Okay, ready? I'll go slow. I'll go slow. How's that?
It was at this moment that Emily knew. She fucked up.
Is that too fast? I'll turn around, okay? She doesn't. She keeps screaming.
Oh my god, you really are!
Are you actually crying?
Oh, this is beautiful! Can I send that to your sister?
You want to keep going?
No. I gotta get off now.
Alright, alright.
End of her ride.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Bye.
Me too.
Nice to meet you too. I'll see you around. Okay, bye. Was that fun though?
Yeah, just like the air is making my eyes water.
Okay, I'm sure that's it. Bye. You want to ride the bike again?
Kind of.
I went pretty fast when
No, faster.
you want to go faster than that.
Yeah.
Go grab one of their helmets. I'll go super fast down here.
Really?
Yeah, I'll go up and down this road right here. Just grab one of their helmets. No, you gotta pull the tabs first away from you,
Oh.
and then you drag it. You pull it down.
No, I don't need no sweat. I need no pussy. Just kidding.
Come on. It's a medium size. Well,
My head's
you have a
big.
bun.
Oh,
You have a bun.
that's why.
There you go.
There you go. See, people were like, "You didn't have a helmet last time, so now you got one."
No recording allowed.
I'm recording right now. Yeah, can you tuck it in for her?
Yeah, put in the loop. You got one of the G-rings.
You're not wearing any makeup, right? Okay, good. Your helmet's good then.
Cool.
There, you're official, minus the shoes.
Huh?
You're official, minus the shoes.
They came like that, I swear.
Oh, mismatched? I know.
Okay.
I have the same pair.
A lot of people don't believe me.
No, I have the same pair. You're gonna get really cold.
That's okay.
So when you get cold, just let me know. We'll head back here.
That's okay.
Okay, you remember how to get on? Let me go on first. Sorry? Yeah, go ahead. Hold around my waist. There you go. She's holding on so tightly. I can feel her head on the bottom of my back. I don't think she's even looking ahead of her anymore. How was that? That was cool? Yeah. Okay. I'll go a little bit faster on the way back. Oh, this girl's crazy. Are you cold? Okay, good. Yeah, you should get your own bike. They're really cheap, you know that.
Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty sketchy though.
No, just don't go too fast. Don't be like me.
Good thing you came back in one piece.
I went like 150 there.
You know, like when your heart's pumping really fast? When you get warm? No, I don't like warm. I was like, holy shit, we're going so fast.
Oh, yo, you going so fast, your hair's going the other way.
I know, it's all messed up now.
Really fast.
Good job, good sport. Bye.
Right.
Getting.
I don't know what you were doing. You went like this.
Okay, bye.